If you're stuck on what to post, what to write, or how to actually sell your next party, you're about to love this. I'm giving you 5 done-for-you ChatGPT prompts that'll do the marketing for you. And I'm showing you exactly how they work. Let's start with an easy one. This prompt is perfect for promoting your next paint party. It gives you a fun, high-energy caption that creates urgency and gets people to take action. Watch what happens when we drop this into ChatGPT. This next prompt is your go-to for email marketing. Whether it's Mother's Day or any themed party, this will help you write warm, inviting emails that make people want to RSVP. Let's drop it into ChatGPT and see how it works. Write a marketing email inviting my audience to a Mother's Day paint party. Make it warm, fun, and include a clear call to RSVP. Need content ideas for the week? This prompt will give you 5 ready-to-go post ideas, a mix of fun, value, and promo. Perfect for batching content fast. Watch this. Give me 5 social media post ideas to promote my paint party business this week. Mix in fun, value, and promotional. Launching a new bundle or digital product. This prompt helps you create a soft sell post that focuses on how your offer saves your customers time and stress. Let's generate one together. Write a Facebook post promoting my new spring party printable bundle. Focus on how it saves time for creative business owners. If you're answering the same DMs over and over, this one's a game changer. Use this prompt to create a professional FAQ reply you can reuse anytime. Watch how fast this works. Write a friendly, professional response to someone asking, "What's included in your paint party printable kit?" And just like that, you've got 5 AI-powered prompts to help you post smarter, promote confidently, and actually get people to take action. And if this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop an emoji in the comments if you want to see more ChatGPT tutorials for your party biz. You've got the tools. Now go market like a boss.